With the AIADMK BJP alliance gaining pace in Tamil Nadu, BJP State President K. Annamalai is likely to step down. The BJP High Command in Delhi is expected to announce a new president for the party's state unit anytime between April 8 and 10. The new announcement is expected to be part of the party's rejig in its hierarchy from the national level to the state level. With the new announcement likely, party's senior leaders from Tamil Nadu like Vanathi Srinivasan, Tamilisai Soundararajan and Nainar Nagendran have camped in Delhi. Annamalai has been asked to step down not as a punishment but to help the party realign with the AIADMK in the ensuing 2026 assembly polls. It is said that Nainar Nagendran, a prominent leader from the South Tamil Nadu who was part of Jayalalitha's cabinet earlier, is likely to replace him. Annamalai was summoned to Delhi last week by Amit Shah. He met Home Minister Amit Shah and had an hour-long meeting with him. It is said that Annamalai had submitted a very detailed report about the party's stance in Tamil Nadu, the strategies it can likely work out in the ensuing 2026 elections, and also the party's performance in the past few years. BJP's High Command in Delhi has come up with a strategy to fight the DMK in Tamil Nadu. It is said that the Delhi High Command feels that winning Tamil Nadu is crucial for the party in the next elections. So it has decided to renew its alliance with the AIADMK and bring the Dravidian party into its NDA fold. Before Annamalai could meet Amit Shah, ADMK General Secretary Edappadi K. Palaniswamy met Amit Shah in Delhi along with his party colleagues and former senior ministers. He met Amit Shah and after the meeting he said that the party has not decided anything on the alliance and he had come to meet Amit Shah only to represent Tamil Nadu and ask for certain welfare schemes. But it is said during the meeting, one of the major demands of Palaniswamy was to replace Annamalai with any other leader because he is considered to be one of the reasons for the AIADMK walking out of the NDA fold in 2023 before the Lok Sabha elections. Annamalai was summoned to Delhi last week by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. During his meeting with Amit Shah, it is said that he submitted a very detailed report on the party's performance in the state in the past few years. He had also said in his report how the party can strategize for the ensuing 2026 assembly polls and the intra-party feud and the equations existing within the party in Tamil Nadu. Sources also say that while the Delhi High Command was ready to relinquish Annamalai, he had also promised his loyalty to the party. In return, the Delhi High Command has promised to retain him as a key figure in the party in the ensuing 2026 assembly elections. After taking over as a state president in July 2021, there has been no looking back for Annamalai. He has been outrageous in his comments against the DMK and also the AIADMK. But Annamalai did not win even one election. In 2021, he lost from the Aravakuruchi Assembly segment and in 2024, he lost from the Coimbatore Parliament segment. It is because there was no party support for Annamalai and it was on his individual strength that he was contesting. While his electoral performances did not bring him any victory, within the party also, Annamalai did not have any friends and he actually sidelined most of the senior party leaders. So what next for Annamalai if he steps down? The party high command, as said, has promised a key role for him in the next 2026 assembly elections. Let us wait and watch.